The Indian Air Force said that the Light Combat Aircraft, LCA, Tejas and Sarang Helicopter display team showcased superior flying skills at the Dubai Airshow here on Sunday. The airshow kicked off at Al Maktoum Airport in Dubai on Sunday. An aerobatics team and the Tejas aircraft of the Indian Air Force showcased their superior flying skills on the opening day of the famed Dubai Airshow in the United Arab Emirates on Sunday. The participating contingent was visited by Air Marshal AP Singh of the IAF's Shillong-based Eastern Air Command. The contingent commander introduced Singh to the officers and airmen of the participating teams. The IAF has been invited to the Dubai Airshow by the UAE government to perform along with some of the best aerobatics and display teams in the world, including the Saudi Hawks, the Russian Knights and the UAE's Al Fursan. The HAL Tejas is an Indian single-engine multi-role light fighter designed by the Aeronautical Development Agency in collaboration with Aircraft Research and Design Centre of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited for the Indian Air Force and Indian Navy. It came from the Light Combat Aircraft program, which began in the 1980s to replace India's aging MiG-21 fighters. In 2003, the LCA was officially named Tejas. It is the smallest and lightest in its class of contemporary supersonic combat aircraft. The Tejas is the second supersonic fighter developed by HAL after the HAL HF-24 Marrot. The Tejas achieved initial operational clearance in 2011 and final operational clearance in 2019. The first Tejas squadron became operational in 2016, as No. 45 Squadron IAF Flying Daggers was the first to have their MiG-21s replaced with the Tejas. The Tejas currently has three production models, Tejas Mark I, Mark 1A and Trainer variant. The IAF currently placed an order for 40 Tejas Mark I and 83 Tejas Mark 1A, including Tejas Trainer aircraft. The IAF plans to procure 324 aircraft in all three variants, Mark I, Mark 1A and the Tejas Mark II, which is currently being developed by the HAL. The Tejas Mark II is expected to be ready for series production by 2026-27. Hope you guys loved the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to all, so you can get the notification on each upload.